Hello everyone, Iceland International Airport. I arrived to Iceland, Reykjavik. Right now I'm going to go to this city maybe. Check it out what's going on outside. This is such airport. It's not big one, but it's pretty much wide. This is my flight, New York Stewart Airport. Let's go further. Out there we can eat a little bit later. Exit to Iceland. Just trying to exit. Gates this way. A lot of drinks. It's a duty free, very big duty free. Tinned vodka, product of Iceland. Never tried. The prices in euros and dollars. A lot of different beverages. Wild Iceland Old Tom. Okay, let's go any further. Let's go further.
We don't have our luggage yet, but we're about to get it.
There's a claim baggage over here. You can. Nothing to declare. Exit. Uit. In Dutch, uit. Exit. on the streets any further. it's quite cold. It's quite cold. Oh my god. This is a kind of nest. How's the name? Nest something. Memorial of the nest. It's a big, huge egg. As I get it. There's a hatch now, some kind of the bird. Welcome to Iceland. Buy food, but it's pretty cold. No, I don't want to buy something like kind of something cold. I don't want to buy. I need to make a decision. Go further somewhere. Like what the point is interesting to attend. Would be interesting. Right now, thinking about what to do next. What to do next. This is the prices, guys. Mimosa drink and salmon sandwich, 3.198. It's about $20, give or take.
May I have your attention, please? This is the final call. Final departure call for the next remaining passengers on flight OG.
I would buy this book, but it's pretty heavy. I don't want
Please make your way to gate
tag it with myself.
25 as the aircraft is ready for departure and the gate is
A lot of souvenirs. It's like cups from the horn, just to have a drink. It's a nice thing. A bookstore, kind of. This is the lower section of the airport. I already pressed check control to go to outside of EU zone. Just walking around, just having a little bit fun, checking out all these souvenirs, shit like that. I don't wanna buy, ain't no buy no shit. Ain't wanna buy no shit. Just walking around and checking out. I bought a book with Iceland
Joby Hugo, Alexander Dominica, Alexander Dominica. Please proceed to the service desk.
It's nice country, nice island
Thank you.
for attendance. Maybe sometimes I'll go there. I'm gonna go and gonna attend sometimes this beautiful island. There's something to eat we can get here. Coffee, tea. Just pick up and pay by phone, by card, whatever you wish. Pick your item. Fish and chips. Icelandic salmon. This interesting thing is like caviar, black caviar. 100 gram, 1,000.099 Icelandic crowns. I don't know how much it's like, about $20. Jerky. GSD. D21. That's my gates. Flight to New York City, Stewart Airport.
Please do travel booking on SAS flight SP4788 to Aspen. We are looking for 4 passengers to travel tomorrow. And also
There's all the different salt, smoked salt. I don't know what for. Maybe for the bed. Flaky sea salt. I would have bought a lot of things over here, but I don't want to hold it whole month or how many times I want to spend in the US or other countries. I don't want to just hold it with all the shit in my backpack. I will buy something from it. Katla, Icelandic vodka, Rika, small batch vodka handcrafted in Iceland. It's a lot of alcohol beverages.
You said 15? Yeah, great, thank you.
It says go to gate.
call final departing call for the last remaining passengers on flight OG 664 to Madrid. Please make way to your gate. 814, 814. As the aircraft is ready for departure and the gate is closing.
May I have your attention, please? Passengers flying on flight OG141 to Washington.
It was very short trip to Iceland, but it's like way over. I had only 6 hours. I hadn't had the time to go outside because it's like it was time frame. There was not so many time I had left, unfortunately. That's it, guys, waiting for my departure.
May I have your